you over here. Hey. Fuck you.
Hello.
It's like, hey, he started looking around. Hey, you. It's like, what? Fuck you. It's like, damn it, no guy. I don't even know. It was fucking hilarious though. Yeah, but I didn't actually get to see who it was. I don't care. Fuck him, whoever it was. It's funny though. He finally turned and looked at me and says, fuck you. It's like, oh, okay. Fair enough. I understand. I get it. What kind of fantasy play stuff do you play? Grenade! Don't do it! No! I lived. Fuck you. I'm a very spiteful person. Sorry. I see that motherfucker fly from across the world right beside me. I was like, oh, okay then. That's right, it still took that long to explode. Ah. Wait, what's on? That was me, man. I don't know. My area is always really fucking hard to watch because I don't have any cover. I'll go over and peek at you every once in a while. Yeah. Oh, he's up there, fucking shooting at me. You fucking bastard, die. I'm glad there's only fucking one on here besides you and that one guy way the fuck over there. That bullshit. I'm sorry, what the fuck is left rightish? Left rightish? Why would you just say to the right? Have a compass on, give him fucking cardinal directions. Jeez. To your left, right, the fuck? What kind of directions? You know? Damn you, Moses, man. The fuck? How the fuck do you live?
What's up, Barbara?
What the fuck? Yeah, Papa Hayes, somehow he fucking, his bitch ass lived. I told him I was reloading, let's switch out my run up on me. Then he fucking picked up my weapon. Asshole. I didn't see that way. Oh, okay. Man, just aim at him and tap. Well, take your time and aim and tap those kind of guns, man. You'll get it. Nah, he cleared that shit. Not yet, but he ain't close. He got it, I think. Good shit, Al.
Poppy Hayes is forever forbidden from picking up a machine gun again. That was embarrassing
Right?
to the
What
team.
the fuck?
I am the commander. I have spoken.
He has spoken?
Observer?
I don't know what that is.
Observer, I need you. Alright, we gotta time this perfectly. Don't move. Alright, hold on. Alright, that should do it. You're good. You're free.
Why do you call it my fucking interaction? Bastard. Fancy player's level 1, by the way.
Pyro, you might be a little danger close. Just be advised.
Yeah, I seen that. I'm gonna play back off for a second.
Be advised, enemy is wearing our uniforms in a couple cases. Be advised, watch out.
Is that fucking intentional? Is that really intentional?
Allegedly it's not, but they haven't removed it despite a ton of updates since it started, so I believe it is. I think it is.
Yeah,
and it's cool. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I thought it was a fucking bug for a long time. Nobody else sees this motherfucker, but
Well, they have addressed it and said it is a bug. But it's like,
Well, see?
why didn't they fix it? Oh shit, behind us. Northwest, northeast.
yeah. Yeah. You see what happened to me? Probably could, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, it might be pretty fucking good that I did it. Nah. I mean, maybe if you had to. But you wouldn't want to. Not repeatedly over and over and over again like you have to in a fucking war.
That was a good defense, y'all. Alright, split them up. 2 objectives, 1 team.
I'm heading to B.
And I need my observer over here with me at C. Roger that, get close to me. We gotta call in some arty. Observer, please.
That shows how talented he is.
Just for a second, we just gotta call in this arty while the iron is still hot. Almost. Alright, good job, good job. God damn. Y'all calm down now.
Fancy player, how you doing, man? I see you're like level 1. You having fun? It's a good game? You liking it? You liking it? You ignoring me?
Hope he is.
I hope so too. I think you tried to shoot me. No, I'm not sure. I've been trying to talk to him every once in a while. What kind of fantasy game do you play? Fantasy play? I'm curious.
God damn, are they suppressing the shit out of me?
Dude, what are you doing over there, man? Get out the way. hit tab and you can see on the red on the map where they come from, so you can like plan your defense. Or whatever your fucking button is for the map. I don't know, you're on console, man, sorry.
Oh shit, they're on the objective to C. They're on C.
Yeah, he's dead over there. I'll look at this whole one, I guess.
We lost Charlie, you guys. You like that? Yeah. All right. He's all finished. Station out.
Good shot. That's a really good shot. Got a pistol, wanna go with me? I'm not.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. Nice.
Wait, observer, wait.
Yeah, you can still hold over there to protect our backs. That way, you ain't gotta be on
I'm going to, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
gonna be over at C, but I got y'all, don't you worry.
I trust you better than this fancy player out there running around sliding everywhere.
What the fuck? Okay, there's the artillery.
Good. It is a little tarp wall. No, you're not. He got him. Loading. Can you get that guy? Damn you. Why? Fuck! I just finished reloading! Damn it! My gun's completely full if you want to grab it if you need to. The guy was just screaming as he lay down. If I'm actively doing something, I don't think I'm gonna be screaming like that. Ah! Yeah, I would do it before it disappeared, man. Ah. Yeah, I think he was getting pinned down pretty good.
Yo! You hear my mic?
Yeah, man.
Sorry if I'm pretty bad at this game, you know. I just got it today.
Yeah, it's cool. How are you liking it so far?
It's low-key pretty fire.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man. I like it. Been playing it for like 15 years, I think now.
Gosh.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just... It looked cool, so I got it.
Like 8 years, my bad, man. I played the first one, so I mixed them up a lot. Insurgency Sandstorm. Yeah.
First one was damn good. I miss it.
Yeah, man.
How old is it?
Yo. Oh, here's that. I'll check.
Observer, quickly! To me! Quickly, quickly, quickly! Alright, danger close on the southwest corner of the objective. Watch out.
12 years old?
Also, observers, stay in cover. I
12
need
years
observers.
old. I last played it in 2016 when this game came out. They gave me a free copy of it, so why the fuck would I play it over, dude? That was a good. Yeah. Yeah. Todd's are KS-23. Yeah. Jump my bullet, you fucker. What the fuck was that? I seen it. Yeah, I looked up. You didn't see me look up at it? Oh. Yeah, I see him throw that bitch. I was like, what?
Hell yeah, gentlemen, that was good shit.
They're still on the fucking point for some reason. Let's see, what should I go with? Maybe I can 60.
Alright, we're out of most of our shit, but we do have a helicopter we can call in.
Yeah. Probably land down.
We're gonna delay as long as we can into the wave before we call it.
I didn't get ammo. My ammo didn't reset. What the fuck?
You gotta
Oh,
go
that's
to
not
the
gonna be good.
optimization screen, homie.
I did.
Well, shit. Get ready. No! I got hit by a fucking suicide bomber!
Fuck. Great. Great. Goddamn grenade! I didn't hear that one. Yeah, I did. I did go to the door. Fucking bullshit. Oh, he's there. That is that left 4-0 manager. manager, left off manager. Okay. No, it's not. I don't know if I can even see him actually. Oh, he can. Oh, okay. He can just lay down and see him. That's a good spot. But if everybody else dies, he's gonna instantly lose. He's got a bipod and everything on that damn gun. Okay.
Outstanding, gentlemen. I hope you know you earned yourself 2 helicopters in one wave.
Fancy.
I love when I get to be a benevolent dictator. It's just the best. That's right. Praise me.
Glazing that man.
Stop running!
Yeah, he wants to.
Village. Or like weird.
Yeah, like Fidel Castro. Yeah, he's doing good, man. He finally died.
Fidel, Idi Amin, pretty much every African dictator, every Caribbean dictator. There's a handful that have been deposed, but that's like the exception, not the rule.
Yeah, we hear about them because, you know, that's the most loud shit.
Exactly.
Somebody did. I don't give a fuck. That guy's head was gold. I think I shot him in the face and so did you. I see his head droop, then you blew that shit off. Die, you fucking. What the fuck? Oh, man. Shoot me, please. Shoot me, please. Thank you. Jesus Christ.
Oh, bullshit!
Yeah, I mean,
The fucking grenadiers, bro, just throw.
yeah, they can arc that shit perfect, too. Yeah, RPGs don't do shit to them either. Nah, they run around with them and it distracts them more than anything. None of the fuckers have died. Jesus. I heard a bunch of shooting and no dying. Dude, that legend guy could really be doing a whole lot better than what he's doing. He's got a full auto AK with a bipod and a 2x fucking little vertical. He could be putting in fucking work, but he is not doing it. He's trying, but he is not. He's getting close to shooting out in the back. He's right behind you actually now. That guy took a shot for you. Yeah, that was pretty good. Got that pimped the fuck out too. He took it off the silencer though. That motherfucker was waiting.
Tried to get you in the end.
Hell yeah, GG.
GG.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. No. No. Oh, you didn't deserve it. You wouldn't be offensive enough. You didn't tell some guy to look at you and instantly, fuck you!